Remember last week, Friday, we had the occasion, and my mom said, yes, someone here, if you try to feel to pray, uh, sleeping total, it is me. That time I ran away. I ran to come the float. Because even that time, if my sister started to pray, I wake up and say, "Ah, every time pray. She's made to raise me. I want to sleep. Then after that, I raise up and sleep. Um, After I say, "Ah, this was now it's Susan on my heart. I cannot sleep. Every time this study of my angel or my joy will sleep. So that last week, that's one, I came and Mama prayed for me and she gave me a prayer point and she gave me 3 days fasting and I prayed that prayer point. So I did 3 days, 2 days. The third one, I get a dream. Yeah, I think it is a bird. I came to share with mom. Mama she said, oh, it is a good dream, it is a delivery. I said, okay. But now I'm the one to tell my sister, this is the time. Wake up and start praying. Even now, we have the prayer from 11 to 2. After that, I sleep. Then I'm the one who wake up around the 4 to 5. I just, when I'm sleeping, I just feel somebody say, wake up, there's something going on the village. Wake up. I just wake up and carry the Bible and start praying. Now, my sister is the one who wakes up and look at me like this and also start praying. I thank God for that.